And we're back to learning JavaScript on Exercism. This is Resistor Color Duo. It's somewhat like, you could say, a follow-up exercise on resistor color. We have the same problem, but this time we want to add two of these. So for example, brown and green, and this should result in 1, 5, therefore 15. So we don't want to just sum them up to 6. Instead, they should be written in this way. Instead of 1 plus 5 equals 6, we had 1 plus 5 equals 15. Let us first create our array. So once again, just like in the last exercise resistor color, all of these colors have a +1 as a resistor value. Therefore, we can see them as index positions in an array. Black, for example, would be index 0, brown index 1, red index 2, and so forth. White is the last one with index 9. Let me check if I've got them all. Once you've got your array done, we are ready to proceed with the function. Let me get rid of this. What we want to do is to find the index of our color. So I use our color array dot index of. This time we have two colors, so I'll use a variable or a parameter for a function that's called first color. If I just run it like this, it's not going to work. We're going to get through this step by step. Let me show the test to do that. So we've got -1. So it's basically undefined, or it can't find the index of this first color. And you can see we've got two arguments, so we need a second color as a parameter. If I run it again, it's still not going to find an index, so it's going to result in -1 for every test. And the reason why is, you can see right here, it's an array. So our argument is an array. Therefore, we have to set these parameters as arrays as well. Don't forget these brackets. I'll run it again. And this time it can find the index. So the first test has an index of 1 for brown. Second one has an index of 6 for blue. So blue is our 7th element. Therefore, it has the index of 6. So we're getting somewhere. Now we need the index of the second color. So I add plus color dot index of second color. Now let me run it again. And we are halfway there. First one, brown, index of 1 plus black, index of 0, results in 1. Second one is blue and gray, results in 14. Blue was 6 and gray should be 8. So let me count. Blue has an index of 6 and plus gray, which has an index of 8. It should result in 68, but we've got 14, as we have simply summed these two numbers up. So we've got one final issue to solve to get past this exercise, and we can simply get around it by multiplying the index of the first color with 10. So if I just add it right here, times 10, I'll give it brackets so that you can see this is the first color. So if we apply this to blue and gray, we would have blue equals 6 times 10, plus gray equals 8, and this gives us 68, which is exactly what we want. So now we should pass all of these tests. And we're done here. Let me show you a different example. Let's say orange and orange, test 4. Orange has an index of 3, so it's the 4th element in our array. So orange equals 3, and then we have 3 times 10 plus 3, therefore 33. As always, there are multiple ways to solve this exercise. This is just a way that I could come up with. Until next time, thank you for watching.